know, man. Beast mode all the way, my nigga. 305. Shit. It's sound like this with all for you, hear me? Catch me cruising on the block. Sauce for the rod, yeah, I got that hard knock for a nigga come to get it, and I ain't playing with it. Niggas talking silly, I'm about to fucking let them feel me. Yeah, you feel me? You feel me? Fuck it. Yeah, I'm about to go in straight school tucking. Me and my little nigga in this bitch, we bustin'. Smoking on that goody good, trying to keep it right. Yeah, we focus that night, trying to get it. Stacking back a minute. Yeah, you gotta feel me. Yeah, I'm about to roll up a fillet and pass it to my dog. Motherfuck, you know it's motherfuck y'all.
I said motherfuck y'all. I'm the type of nigga, man, I rather shoot the ball. Yes, I'm finished showing one thing about it, I never fall. I'm the type of nigga who will stand through there at every bar. Everybody keep on telling me to chill. So fresh, one day I'm gonna be the real deal. I said I want the bread, I said I want the cake. I'm tired of these young niggas who steady walking your face. I said one thing about me, I said I never quit. I told my mama I would never drop the fucking stick, drop the ball, never that. Because they can never catch me to the street, cause I'm a thug. And matter of fact, everything on everything I love. Miss my daddy, cause my daddy, he was a real thug. Matter of fact, that boy, he knew the meaning of life. Everybody understood, yes, I earned my stripes. I done did some fucked up shit, cold-hearted ass nigga. Young ass boy, but don't look like no killer. Don't push me. I'm the type of nigga I will make a nigga think I am a rookie. No fucking I be cool and choosing with my nigga Young So keep profiling while that fucking nigga cold steady stacking up my dough. On my gritty doing so keeping guns in the field, and you already know. Go dumb, go stupid, till it hard like so Cupid. If I got it, then I'm stupid. Don't look for me cause I'm through. Never play, never joking. Got the doors wide open, smoking on that goody good. Chilling in the hood, what's poppin', was cracking. Jump out with that D-Magic, have your ass hopping, see your ass screaming on the curb, yeah, I quit fuck.
Yeah, nigga. This 2 to the 4 in this bitch. Down here in Miami, nigga. From Texas to motherfucking Miami, that's how we doing it, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, nigga. We weren't born with a silver spoon in my motherfucking mind, nigga. I wasn't born to have a dad to eat at the table with me, nigga. So fuck you, fuck your clique, fuck your mama, fuck your granny, fuck your little kid, nigga.
Fuck em.
State to state, nigga, that's how we do it.
Fuck em. 305, nigga, fuck em. Beast mode, nigga, fuck with me. We in this shit, nigga, I'm out. 200 street, nigga, 216, nigga, I'm out, boy.
Yeah, man, y'all know, man, I ain't got no love for none of them boys. Come down to this motherfucking city right here, run up on me stupid. I'ma show you what I do. See, I love choppers. Yo, on your fire. You kind of said it for one reason. Guess I done struggled to do it all. Done left my daddy and all, but I'ma hit it all. I'm the type of nigga, man, I really choose the ball. A rookie did this, but he is so real. That boy, he making real good tattoos out that ass. Now they keep on talking about how we young getting cash because we so smart with it. Yes.